In this video I will present another example of badly solved assembly when using the flexible source component. So as previously, I have my basic setup, my top level bolt assembly parts, and I will now place the flexible subassembly. I will make it flexible, and this time I will try to apply explicit reference angle constraint. Explicit reference vector angle constraint. I will try to apply this constraint between this face and this face of the washer. So I will start by doing that. Okay, the constraint is applied when we examine the constraint. Okay, now I will do the same with the flexible subassembly. It is flexible, so I am applying the constraint. Okay, and now I have two similar constraints between the washer and the face. I will edit the first one now. As you can see, as expected, the bolt was flipped on the other side, so the angle between this face and the green face of this washer is now 180 degrees, so the bolt is totally opposite. I will try to do the same edit with this, and as previously, we instantly are getting an error, and there is nothing we can do. I will accept, and now what we have is the paradox situation when we have properly aligned assembly with its flexible sub assembly, but design doctor indicates a inconsistent relationship. So this is obviously bad behavior, because we have properly and of course it is crashing as soon as I do anything. So as you can see here, now I will just this moment we see the flexible subassembly in its proper position according to the constraint we just have edited. Also, we see the design doctor bringing up an error indication, and it is saying inconsistent relationship. So this is first problem, that this is bad because the relationship is okay, only it is diagnosed incorrectly. And the interesting thing is what is happening when I do anything, just anything. Instantly the assembly is resolved, but this time the flexible subassembly is brought into position against its internal constraints, because as you can now see, this washer is flipped and it is not facing green to green side. I can accept or the cancel. I will accept, and still now the design doctor brings up an error that is correct because the assembly is not solved properly. So this is the third kind of an error that you can bring up very easily in here. So please join me on the next video presenting next bad solution for this assembly.